pagmamalaki mo talaga worldwide, di ba? World-class actor and singer.
Sarah G reveals her impression on SB19 and experience upon their collaboration. Here's what Sarah G has to say about SB19 and working with them.
SB19 ang top Filipino performer. Pagmamalaki mo talaga worldwide, di ba? World-class actor and singer. And of course, I appreciate yung kanilang husay, yung kanilang talento, yung natural skills sa pagkanta, pagsayaw, but yung discipline, work ethics nila, yung talagang, ano sila gigil talaga sila to give talagang quality performance, very organized, very passionate, umuusok yung kanilang passion na maiangat ang musikang Pilipino, and that's so inspiring para sa akin, and I'm sure sa lahat ng sa buong industriya ng musikang Pilipino. Nakaka-proud, nakaka-inspire, and parang for me, every collaboration is a chance to grow. Nakaka-collaborate ko sila Tito Gary, sila Miss Reg, Coach Rambo. And this time, ito yung younger generation. Nakaka-overwhelm at mas na-challenge ako na parang to push myself more to grow. Kung meron pa ba akong maibibigay as an artist. So, good luck. Good luck to me.